show you how to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. What you have to do is open your Google Maps and launch the Google Maps on your smartphone. Ensure that you have the app installed and that you're signed into your Google account. Find your location. And access the share menu on the top right corner. There's a three-dot icon. Select share menu. Tap on allow. Here we see on the bottom that a Telegram option. Scroll a bit down until you find WhatsApp option over here. Tap allow again and go to the settings. Simply allow all the time. Back again, now it's loading. And WhatsApp will open with a preview of location you're sharing. You can add a message if you'd like, then choose the recipient or chat where you want to send the location on. And once you've selected the recipient or chat, tap on the send button to the share location on the bottom right corner, and Snapchat will send you WhatsApp will send a message containing a map preview and a link to the location in Google Maps. And thank you for watching this video, and by following this step you can easily share location from Google Maps to WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.